Are you a small business owner or a freelancer or a professional like a doctor, lawyer or engineer looking to file their taxes easily? Well friends, then this video is for you. Let's be honest friends, maintaining your accounts and tracking your expenses can feel very frustrating. But what if I told you there is a simpler way to manage your taxes? Introducing the presumptive taxation scheme. So, what exactly is presumptive taxation? Presumptive taxation is a scheme that allows small businesses and professionals to declare a predetermined percentage of their revenue or turnover as profits. This means you don't have to maintain a detailed record of every expenses. If you're a professional like a doctor, engineer or lawyer or any other specified profession, then you can opt for presumptive taxation under section 44 ADA. In this case, your net income will be calculated as 50% of your total receipts. For businesses, if your turnover is up to 2 CR, in this case, your taxable income is calculated as 8% of gross turnover for cash receipt and 6% for digital receipt under section 44 AD. For example, if you have 1 CR turnover all through digital receipts, then in this case, you can report 6 lakhs as your income. If you own up to 10 vehicles, your income is presumed to be rupees 7,500 per month per vehicle for light good vehicles or rupees 1,000 per ton of gross vehicle weight for heavy vehicles. Now, here is some exciting news from Budget 2023. The limit for the presumptive taxation has been increased, providing you with more flexibility. For example, for the small business owners, the limit has been increased from 2 CR to 3 CR, while for the professionals, the limit has been increased from 50 lakhs to 75 lakhs. But the increase in limit is subject to the condition that 95% of the receipts must be either through banking channels or online modes. And here is the best part. Filing your presumptive income on ClearTax is simple and quick, and this process can be completed in a minute. Simply log into your ClearTax account, link your PAN card to pre-fill all your details and add your basic details. After then, head over to the income sources section and scroll down to professional, freelancing and business income. Here, as you can see, you have different options to opt for presumptive taxation scheme. For example, if you are a doctor or a freelancer or a professional, like say a lawyer with an income less than 75 lakhs, then simply click on this first tab and add details like your profession type, revenue, expenses and other details. Similarly, if you're a business owner with less than 3 crore turnover, then you can go on the business income tab and click on add details to add all your details. You can follow the similar steps if your other business income like from speculation activity, shares of income or profits from a firm, operating and renting out vehicles for transportation, then you can select the other businesses income section and add details like before. Once you have added the details, simply click on continue and proceed with completing your income tax return filing process. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So that's how easy it is to take advantage of presumptive taxation on ClearTax. What are you waiting for? Visit cleartax.in to file your taxes now.